Hello, video maniacs of all shapes, sizes, and colors. This is Practice Dummy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the FOV view for the game Code Vein. All of us that use the PC version of Code Vein, FOV is much to be desired. It's like it's set at 60, and it kind of makes it hard to fight enemies at that low of an FOV. So hopefully this will help out a bit, and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, in the link in the description below, I'll have a few things there. One is the link for a program that's free called HXD. It's a hex editor, and we got to edit one file for this to go and for this to work. And then I got a couple of hex codes below. One is the hex code you need to find, and the second hex code is the one you replace it with. So those you highlight with your mouse and right click and select copy, and you can copy that in. So I'll instruct you on when to do that. All right, click on the link below. It should take you to this page here, HXD, Freeware Hex Editor and Disk Editor. And we want to scroll down, and we're going to look for this top one here. Now, if you've got Windows 11, that's fine, because Windows 11 and Windows 10 are about the same code base. So any programs that work on 10 should work on 11, and vice versa, and including drivers for the most part. Let's go ahead and click on the download page and download whatever language that you speak here. In this case, it'll be English. Right here it has the American flag and the British flag kind of sharing space here. Come over to the right and click on download per HTTPS and save it to wherever you want to. And then the next thing you want to do is go ahead and go where it's at, unzip the file, and go ahead and click on hxd setup.exe. And go ahead and go through the installation process. Easy enough. It's pretty much self-explanatory there. And then go ahead and install. And then you want to run HXD, which I already installed myself, when you get to the last window, so to speak. And then after that, then we want to go ahead and start up HXD. And then what we want to do is we want to find where the game folder is at in the particular file we're going to be looking for. Okay, the easiest way to do that would be to go into your Steam library, right-click on Code Vein, select Properties, go to Install Files, and where it says Size of Installation File, and click on Browse, and this will take you to the game folder. Now, on the install files, it'll show you which drive you got it installed to. And for me, I got it separate from Steam. I'm going to go ahead and show you where the game, well, I don't need to show you where the game folder is at. If this is what I showed you at, it'll take you right to it. Now, when you open the game folder, you want to go to Code Vein, Binaries, Win64, and this is the folder we're going to be looking for, which is Code Vein Win64 shipping.exe. So we do that with HXD. So what we want to do is we want to click File and Open. And of course, go into wherever the game is at, where you discovered it with using the browse function in Steam. In my case, Steam Library, Steam Apps, Common, Code Vein again, Binaries, Win64, and then select the Code Vein Win64 shipping.exe, and we want to open. Now, the next thing we want to do is you want to hold down Control and hit the F key, and it'll bring up the Find window. Now we want to click on the Hex Values tab here, And then what we want to do, and I actually copied and pasted into a text folder, but in the description below, it'll have the first one is what we want to find, hex value we want to find. And then you want to highlight and copy. And then we want to right click and select paste, then click OK. And you see where we got that highlighted. Now what we want to do is the hex we want to replace with, which will be in the description below. Want to select it all with your mouse. You can use your left mouse button to hold down, and then bring your mouse over to highlight it all. Right click and select copy, and then click on the window to bring HXD back to the forefront. Hold down Control and hit V, and this will paste, and it changes the value there. Then click on File and click Save. And that's all you need to do as far as the getting the FOV going. So what we'll do now is go ahead and exit out of all these windows, and we'll go ahead and start code vein. And it'll show what looks to be around 90 FOV instead of the 60 FOV, which is used for consoles. And we'll just hopefully get in the game here. All right. And we'll use an existing save. And hopefully YouTube doesn't ding me for, music. And here we go. It used to be where the character was a lot closer and you couldn't see as far out. But now you can see more of the game world around you and not feel like you're real up close and personal when it comes to monsters and whatnot, and it'll make it easier for you to play the game and see monsters attacking you and give you a chance to actually beat the game better. But that's all there is to it on that. So I hope that helped you out in getting a better FOV for Code Vein, and for you to be able to enjoy the game a lot better, especially for us PC gamers where we need a FOV of 90 or greater. All right, take care one and all, and God bless you.